This is the elevator at 100 Minetta Hill Road, aka the Island Professional Center. I don't think this thing has changed at all since my last visit. It does take way too long to level.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Where are you guys going?
3. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. The bulb on this button's a little bit
What
dim.
floor is this? Is 3.
This is 2.
What happened to 2?
This is 2. This is 2.
This is 2. Huh?
Yeah.
This doesn't look like where I want. You know what?
What room are you looking for?
This is 2nd floor. Take me to 3.
Okay.
I'm confused a bit. I'm a little confused as to where I want to be. Looking for the lab cook, 309.
301's this floor. It's left.
Right. Yep, right there. You going down?
Yeah, down. Are you guys going too? Or?
2.
How much of that works? There you go. It's going down.
No, you going down?
Yeah, down. That button was replaced a while ago. Yeah, in case you haven't figured out, this thing is always busy. Oh, it does light up. The indicator, I think, fully works. I think it does. You're welcome. And you're gonna get to hear it go up. Listen. And by the way, it's locked. I tried. Alright, that's it.